What's up, meditators? This is Dr. Irby bringing to you another meditation minute for this week. So this week what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back into those initial steps of meditation, and then I'm going to guide you through an emotion awareness meditation. And so an emotion awareness meditation is just an opportunity for us to focus on one particular emotion. You may experience a lot of different emotions in your life, and this time you may be experiencing a lot of different emotions. And so I'm going to ask that you take one emotion, focus on it, become aware of it as a means to better manage those emotions and live our lives in accordance with our values and the things that we find important. So first, let me take you back into those initial steps of meditation so that we can be prepared and ready for our meditation experience. Today I'm standing, so you can certainly stand when you meditate, but you can also sit or lie down, whatever is most comfortable for you and whatever you find most helpful in terms of focusing and being able to direct your attention for meditation. So again, first step, so you want to find a good posture. I bring my shoulders back. I like to keep my back straight. And with my hands, I often like to rest those on my thighs. This time I'm going to just have my hands folded in front of me like this. So whatever's comfortable for you, so find that initial posture, and then you can close your eyes and we'll begin to focus on our breath. So again, the breath is such an important aspect of our meditation. And so what you want to do is to draw the breath in, either through your nostrils or through your mouth. Take a deep breath in, and then slowly let the breath out. Again, big breath in, and then let the breath out. We're also focusing our mind on our breath during this time, noticing the sensations of the breath as we bring it in, and then noticing the sensations of the breath as we let it go. Appreciating the breath, appreciating the ability to breathe is such an important part of meditation, but it also gives us an anchor and a focus for our mind. And as we do so, it helps to settle our being, settle our heart rate, settle our bodies, and alleviates our stress, just that simple movement. You're going to notice that your mind will wander, which is okay. Just notice it, take note of it, and then gently bring it back to the breath. So breath in and breath out. So once you have your breathing down and you have your focus of attention settled, your being begins to calm, you've now created your space, or the space, to be able to focus on whatever you'd like to. And in this case, we're doing an emotion awareness meditation. And so get back to that breath. You can close your eyes or use a soft gaze forward. Begin to settle. This is a time in our meditation where we experience a sense of emptiness in preparation for filling up. And in this case, what we're going to focus on is one emotion. So what I'd like you to do now, as you continue to focus on your breath, is think about the past couple of days or even earlier today. Think of an emotion that has been prominent, that has been coming up for you. And it could be positive or negative, but I do encourage you to think about an emotion that, and I don't even like to use the word negative, emotions just are. Some are more challenging than others. So pick an emotion that has been difficult to manage or difficult to experience lately. So perhaps fear or anxiety, sadness, maybe you've experienced grief and mourning, loss, something along those lines. Just pick that emotion and bring it into your awareness. Bring it before your mind. once you've brought it before your mind and it's in your awareness, I want you to notice how it feels. How does anxiety or fear present itself when you experience it? Also notice where in your body you experience it. We experience emotions in different parts of our body, and so for this particular emotion, where do you experience it? Fear and anxiety I often feel in my chest. I experience it there, or sometimes in my belly, and so just notice it. Notice how it comes up for you. How does it feel? Is it more of a cool sensation? Is there a sensation like that associated with your emotion? Being able to become aware of our emotions and to be able to just sit with them and experience them is such a healthy way to manage our emotions, rather than reaching for a chemical or some other means to be able to cope. It's good to be able to just sit with our emotion. It's also helpful to ask the emotion, what is it intending to communicate to you? Our emotions communicate important information to us. What is it communicating to us? Why is it there? And just sit with it. So that's our meditation minute for this week. Thank you for joining me and being here with me in this process, in this experience, in learning meditation. Hopefully this one was helpful for you. I'll be back again next week with another meditation. And in the meantime, I hope that you'll continue to practice, continue to learn, continue to grow. Be gentle and patient with yourself. It is a new skill. It can be challenging, but it's worth the effort. And just be grateful for the opportunity to learn and experience life through meditation. So thanks again. Looking forward to our next one, and be well in the meantime.